Can you say it with me?
Think,
Can everyone say it with me?
think,
Awesome. Pretend to think really hard about your favorite color. Think. Draw. Can you try saying it too?
draw,
Can you all try saying it together?
draw,
Brilliant. Pretend to draw a big picture of a rainbow. Draw. Cook. Can you say it with me?
cook,
Can everyone say it with me?
cook,
Fantastic. Pretend to cook pancakes in a pan. Flip them high in the air. Cook. Catch. Can you try saying it too?
catch,
Can you all try saying it together?
catch,
Brilliant. Pretend to catch a ball flying toward you. Got it? Catch. Kick. Can you try saying it too?
kick,
Can you all try saying it together?
kick,
Great job. Pretend to kick a soccer ball into the goal. Goal. Kick. Smile. Can you try saying it too?
smile,
Can you all try saying it together?
smile,
Superb. Can you smile as big as a happy puppy? Smile. Hug. Can you try saying it too?
hug,
Can you all try saying it together?
hug,
Outstanding. Pretend to hug a big, fluffy teddy bear. Hug. Wash. Can you try saying it too?
wash,
Can you all try saying it together?
wash,
Great job. Pretend to wash your hands with lots of soap. Scrub, scrub. Wash. Let's repeat what are the verbs we learned today. Think. Draw. Cook. Catch. Kick. Smile. Hug. Wash.